Today's tutorial, how to change IP and DNS in Ubuntu Linux. So today we will learn how to change IP and DNS in Ubuntu Linux. I will change my second IP to 172.16.16.16/24 and DNS to 1.1.1 and 9.9.9.9. The following steps. At first I will check running IP with command IP addr. Then I will check running DNS with command systemd -resolve space -- status. Okay, then procedure. At first I will use command cd/etc/netplan to enter the IP configuration files folder. Afterwards, open ipconfig.yaml extension file. Subsequently, I will change my IP. I will change my IP and DNS, and then I will save this file. Then I will apply this command sudo netplan apply. Afterwards, I will check if IP changed or not with command IP addr. Subsequently, I will check if DNS changed or not with command systemd -resolve space -- status. If I see that everything is okay as planned, then I could check with ping also, traceroute also. Okay, so now I will change my IP. Okay, cd etc netplan 0. I will change this IP. Yes, then this one 1.1.1.9.9.9. Now save sudo netplan apply. Now I will check ipddr. Yes, IP is changed. For DNS, this command. So DNS also changed. So actually this is the way how we can change IP and DNS in Ubuntu 18, 20, 22, 24, all versions. Okay, so you can comment if you have any question about networking. Thank you.